Okay, this is an epic failures video from Checkers. It also shows you the ordering process. I got some bad hot dogs the first day and they replaced the hot dogs.
How are we doing? Today I'm going to review the Checkers app. Alright. Now when you get 400 points you get $5 off. And you can go to your rewards and offers, like these are the ones I can get today. Free slushy, free Big Buford with a $10 purchase, free fry with a $5, 15% off your total, and $2 off your total. That's what I'm going to hit. I'm going to take the $2 off. And we'll make the order and see if how it works. Order now. We have a hot dog or
Hot dog is fine.
what do you want on it?
Just do plain. Because they always put too much ketchup.
Add to cart. You just want one, right?
Yeah.
You want another soda? No, I got soda.
Fine.
Now, where's the apple pies? Fries and sides, probably. No. Let's go to chill stop, maybe? No.
Review and pay. Because I don't know.
Sweet side, maybe? Apple pie. You want apple pie?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Add to cart. Have a coupon. Enter coupon code, which I don't have. Now you're going to hit the rewards code, take $2 off total, apply rewards. $5.75. Check out. You got to pay by credit card, so for me.
Okay, now we're here. Pick up our order. There's a separate lane for picking up. If you use the app. Okay. Here we go. Now, this is the hot dog. I ate one already. I'm driving, so at a stoplight, and it was pretty hard. You can tell it with the first one I ate was whole. Let me see what this one tastes like. They're a little old. Yeah, they're over the service times. Alright, and I'm not going to do the apple pie today because, like I said, I'm driving. Okay, I just made it back to Checkers. They offered to replace my food. How are we doing? Madeline?
Yes.
I'm going to have the hot dogs.
Oh, okay. No problem. 1 second, okay?
So across the street, when we did the hot dog challenge, that was the 7-Eleven. We bought the hot dog. It's gone. They had the bad service there. It's gone. right, thank you.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. Have a great day. Put the 3 hot dogs in a bag. I was expecting to replace the whole order, which included 2 apple pies, which did not. Those apple pies I got last time were really good. They were warm. She replaced the 3 hot dogs I ordered. I expected her to do the whole order, but she did not do the apple pies. That's fine. I didn't have a problem with those apple pies. Those apple pies I got were warm last time. Really, really, really good. These hot dogs are great. This is what I expected to get. I want to say it was Thursday when I was here. It's Monday now. So, this is what I expected. Really happy with these hot dogs. They did make good on their that big failure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out Carl from Florida's website. That's KARL from Florida.